Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2020. Please stand for the pledge to the flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now time for our school theme song.
A green and white, 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 a green and white. One star for school, the greatest school. 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 In East Brunswick, in New Jersey, there is one star for school. We show kindness to everyone to make our future bright. A green and white, 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 a green and white. Teachers, staff, and parents too help make our future bright. Fine upstanders who set examples help make our future bright. One star for school, the greatest school. One star for school, the greatest school. One star for school, the greatest school. One star for school, the greatest school.
Alrighty, let's take a look at today's plan. So for math, you are playing outside and finding a collection that could be used with fractions. And for language arts, you're finishing your Who Would Win book. I've taken a look at them. They're awesome. You guys are doing a fabulous job. Mr. Satari even saw some of them and said that you guys are crushing distance learning, which I completely agree with. And today, Charlotte's Web chapters 13 and 14 are available, so make sure that you start listening to them. You also have Lego bits and bricks coding as a may do, so let me know how that goes if any of you try it. Our helping heroes of the week are your parents. Remember to thank them. And for our student that we are celebrating, our student for today is, drumroll please, Haley Chang. So make sure you fill out this form here so Haley can read all the nice things you have to say about her. Have a good day. Bye.